Happy Monday! It's your last week of school. I hope you're so excited. I know I am, so I had to come outside so we could have some fun in math today. Are you ready? As you remember, we were learning about in and out tables. And my son Hakeem is really excited to learn with you guys. Okay, so here we have an in and out table. When the number 5 goes in, the number 30 comes out. First, you have to ask yourself, does this increase or decrease? Which one is it? That's right, it increases. So that means we're either adding or multiplying. Well, 5 plus 25 gives us 30, or 5 times 6 gives us 30. Let's look at the next one. When we put 6 in, we get 36 out. Does 6 plus 25 give you 36? Nope. Does 6 times 6 give you 36? Yep. So do you think our rule is multiply by 6? Me too. Let's write it. Now that we've written our rule times 6, let's see. Our input is missing here. We just said it's times 6, so some number times 6 gives us 42. Since we don't know the input, let's use the inverse operation and divide. 42 divided by 6 gives us 7. That's right. Hakeem, could you write a 7 here for us? Write a 7 in our table. That is an awesome 7. Thanks, buddy. Now we have 8 goes in times 6 gives us, that's right, 48. I'll write that in our table. 48. And 10 times 6 gives us 60. Good job. Let's write it in our table. 60. Okay. Now it's time to move on to a new table. When we have 2 go in, 16 comes out. You have to ask yourself, is it increasing or decreasing? It's increasing again. 2 plus 14 gives me 16. But 2 times 8 also gives me 16. Let's look a little closer. The next one we have is 4. Let's try it plus 14. Does 4 plus 14 give us 18? Yes. Does 4 times 8 give us 18? No. So our rule is plus 14. Let me write that. Super job. Now, oh boy, we have 2 missing inputs. But we have the output 20. So to get the input, we have to do the inverse operation. 20 minus 14 will give us our missing number. What is 20 minus 14? 6. You guys are so smart. Well, let's come back out. 24. Are we going to add 14 to it? Not this time, because we have to figure out the number that was in. So we have to subtract. 24 minus 14 is, you got it, 10. And our last one, I know it's kind of hard to see, that says 14. 14 goes in. Our rule is plus 14. And we get 28. You guys are rock stars. Way to go, boys and girls. You're doing a fantastic job. Now it's your turn. Okay, here's your activity for today. Get outside. If it's not raining, I want you to take some chalk, if you have any, get outside and make an input out table of your own. Okay, so make an in and out table. Be sure to show me your rule and have at least 5 in numbers and 5 out numbers. If it's raining, ask your mom and dad if you can use a dry erase marker and you can do your table on a mirror or maybe on a window. Or you can use some bathtub crayons. And if you're not feeling fancy, it's okay. You can use a piece of paper and a pencil. We want to see your wonderful work. Have fun!